for calling room service. This is Tara speaking. How may I help you?
Good morning. Can I order food?
Alright, but before I take your order, did you see the menu? It is located on the right side on your bed. Did you see it?
Yes, I see it.
May I have your name and room number, please?
My name is Maria of room 234.
Thank you for that information, Mrs. Maria from room 234. May I get your order, please? May I suggest to you a decaf coffee for your coffee?
Okay, yes.
Would you like a croissant or muffin?
I like muffin.
Is there anything else that you would like to add?
None.
May I repeat your order?
Okay.
You ordered decaf coffee for your coffee and muffin for your bread.
Yes.
Please be advised that your order will be delivered within 15 and 20 minutes. The total amount of your bill is 400 pesos. Would you prefer to pay it in cash? Charge your room?
I'd like to pay in cash.
How much change do you need to bring?
600.
Is there is there anything else that I can help you with?
None, thank you.
Thank you for calling room service. Have a nice day. Good day. I'm Daryl, your service room food attendant for today. Are you Mrs. Maria from room 234?
Yes, I am.
Would you like me to put the table for you, or would you like me to put the tray on your table, put or set up the table for you?
Please set up the table for me.
Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your muffin for your for your bread, and here's your decaf coffee for your coffee. Excuse me, ma'am. Would you like me to open the television for you?
No.
Would you like me to adjust the temperature, the air condition?
No, thank you.
Would you like me to open the curtain for you?
No, also, thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. May I present to you the bill? Here's your bill. Your bill is 400.
Here, thank you. Keep the change.
Yaman. Yaman mo ah. Is that all?
Yes?
Tapos diba? Hindi ko na sa ulo. Wait lang. Is that all na tuloy? Mababa niyo na, okay na. Is there anything to help you with?
No, thank you.
Thank you. I'll be back within 45 minutes to get your soiled dishes. Enjoy your meal and have a nice day.